everyone, and welcome to another video. Today's video is all about cycling shoes with shoelaces. Basically, this is a general shoelace review. So let's get right into it. When I started cycling, I feel like every time I start a video, I'm like, when I started cycling, but it's true. I'm trying to provide you with my personal experience. So when I started cycling, I didn't know anything about cycling shoes, why you needed them or anything like that. And that's a whole nother video too. But I started doing this group ride with these guys in the Bay Area, and one of the guys had these really cool, I think they were the Sevilla Giro urban cycling shoe. They were so pretty. And I remember thinking, if I need to get cycling shoes at some point, I want those cycling shoes. It was purely for aesthetics. I thought they looked so cool because they had the shoelaces. So I think this look is very vintage, very classic. I didn't know this at the time, but for many decades, the cycling shoe had laces. The ones I had before these were pretty much the same thing in a different color.
Yes,
They look snazzy shoes as well. They cycling shoes.
Mm-hmm.
They look like they should be football.
They were a little different, but they had the shoelace. So that's the thing that drew me to those shoes. It was the look. Different cycling shoes come with various adjustment mechanisms. We have the shoelace, which is my personal favorite. Then there's the Velcro strap with buckle shoe, which is what Joe uses. And there is also the BOA dial mechanism, which a lot of my friends gravitate towards. They really like that system. I've never used BOA, so I can't tell you anything about that. But we're here to talk about shoelaces. So when you first look at this shoe, you notice how slick the top side is, which to me gives it a more aerodynamic look versus, for example, this shoe with all these buckles and straps and things. First of all, the buckle sticks out. It pops out of the shoe, and then these straps never seem to attach to the shoe. They're always kind of flapping up. So I don't know. I think I convinced Joe to jump on the lace-up wagon because he got himself a shoe with laces. If you compare the two of them just by looking at them, I think this one looks more aero just because of all the extra little things flapping up and stuff on this shoe. And it just looks more classic, more clean, and I don't know. I just really like shoes with shoelaces, or cycling shoes with shoelaces. I think it looks very cool. What do you guys think? Do you think this one looks more aero or this one? Let me know in the comments down below. So that's the first thing. The reliability aspect is what also drew me to the lace-up shoe. If anything were to happen to my shoelace, if I rip it, I can always improvise and fix it, or I can come home and change it to a new shoelace. And a different color would make it look like a completely different shoe, and I think that's really cool. It is really cheap, convenient, reliable, practical. I like to stick to basics. However, if you were to break a buckle or a strap on this type of shoe, you would probably have to send the shoe so that they could fix it for you, if that's even possible. Or you would probably have to replace the entire shoe. I don't know. I know Joe has broken a buckle when he crashed or something. I'm not sure if he had to replace the whole shoe or if he was able to fix this part, but it's a lot more involved. It takes a lot more time, and it is a lot more expensive. Somebody is cutting a tree out there. Ugh! I feel like people think that their shoelaces are gonna come undone and they're gonna get wrapped up in the chain rings. That's never happened to me before, especially with this shoe, because it comes with this little strap here. So you tie your shoe regularly and then you run them through that strap And this little strap secures your shoelaces very well. So you will never run into that problem. And I think all the shoes with shoelaces come with that little strap. Cycling shoes with shoelaces are more natural for us. We are already so used to tying our normal shoes. So it is very easy to get the right fit, to adjust them. It is so easy. We already know how we like our shoes to fit and feel. So it is extremely easy to get that perfect adjustment on these shoes versus a shoe like this. I feel like I always see people messing with the straps and messing with the buckles and the boa. With shoelaces, you don't have that problem because you can tighten them however you want them to feel. But if you're the type of person who's always retying your shoes or adjusting them on a run or whatever, then you might not benefit from this shoe because once you tie it, that's pretty much it. Some people might think it is a little bit more time consuming to tie and untie your shoelaces every time you're gonna use your shoe, but you do it all the time with your regular shoes. It doesn't take that long. In fact, I sometimes just wiggle my foot in there and I don't even have to untighten the shoe. I'm not gonna do it right now, but I do that all the time and it doesn't take that long. I don't recommend that you do that because then this thing, you see how it's getting a little bit wrinkled because I kind of like step on it every time I do that. So if you want your shoes to last, do not do that. I love this mountain bike shoe. In fact, I'm gonna do a review of this Empire VR90 women's mountain bike shoe with the Vibram sole. Stay tuned for that. I like it so much that I got myself a road shoe. So it's pretty much the same thing in the road style. I have never used road shoes in the past, so stay tuned for a comparison video. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you prefer a lace-up shoe or a buckle and strap or a boa dial system. I would love to know what you use and what you prefer. Also, let me know if you use mountain bike shoes for road bikes or actual road shoes. I just ordered my pedals and my cleats, so I will be doing a review on that pretty soon. So let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye! Dale, nena, mostrame lo que te hace feliz.